Have you seen what's happening on the Awka-Etiti to Nnokwa road lately? If you haven't, then this is your chance. Today, we bring you a fresh on-ground update recorded live on November 15, 2025, showing real construction, real progress, real transformation happening right here in Idemili South, Anambra State. This is Awka-Etiti, a community full of life, culture, and history. But today, it stands as a testimony to a bigger story. A story of development, continuity, and the promise of a better Anambra. On November 15, 2025, we captured this footage showing ongoing construction on the road that connects Awka-Etiti to Nnokwa, a vital route within Idemili South local government area. For many years, this road has been more of a struggle than a pathway. But today, the story is changing. Yes, this is an ongoing construction of the road that connects Nnokwa to Awka-Etiti. As you can see, this bike is moving from Awka-Etiti down to Nnokwa. Awka-Etiti and Nnokwa falls under the local government of Idemili South local government in Anambra State. This is an ongoing construction of the road. A path goes through from Awka-Etiti and links it to Nnokwa. And construction is ongoing as I speak. Today is the 15th of November 2025. And this road is being constructed under the tenure and leadership of Professor Chukwuma Soludo, the President and the re-elected Governor of Anambra State. And the confirmation that Anambra is a work in progress. As you can see, work is actively progressing on sections of the Awka-Etiti axis. Heavy machines are in motion, earthwork is going on, and construction teams are on ground. The pace, the energy, and the commitment are clear. This is not abandoned work. This is real development happening before our eyes. This renewed push is coming shortly after the re-election of Governor Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, widely known as Solution. And true to his name, the administration is pushing forward with the vision of a modern, organized, livable Anambra State. Many residents have described the state as a work in progress, and the phrase has never been more accurate. Anambra is not yet perfect, but step by step, road by road, community by community, we are inching closer to a state that works, a state that welcomes investment, a state people are proud to call home. This road is more than a pathway connecting Awka-Etiti and Nnokwa. It is a lifeline for transportation, trade, community interaction, and economic activities. Schools, markets, businesses, and homes along this corridor will all feel the impact once this project is completed. And while today's update focuses mainly on Awka-Etiti section, where construction was mostly active, our next recording will take you deeper into Nnokwa to bring a complete picture of the entire project. What you're watching now is only the beginning. With continuous work, improved project supervision, and sustained political will, this road could soon become another symbol of Anambra's journey towards modernization. Anambra is moving. Projects are happening. Progress is real. And every community, including Awka-Etiti and Nnokwa, is part of this transformation. Stay tuned for the next video as we continue this road update and bring you even more insightful coverage from across the Southeast. If you love this development update, like this video, subscribe for more, share with a friend and family in Anambra and beyond. Your support helps this channel grow, and together we will keep showcasing the progress of our home. Thank you.